Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to your English class for grade 7. This is the part B of the video notebook work, which includes dictation words, words meaning, question answers, book work plus grammar work. Now open your English A notebook. Start writing with the left side of your page. You write date, class work, day. Roll number 7, Amir's Cafe, dictation words, protruding, striven, bloating, bargaining, resignation, comprehending, negotiations, listing, dodging, subconscious, desolate. Topic number 2, words meaning, adjacent, close to, nazdeek, assumed, taken on spot, first किया, negotiation, discussion and agreement, बातचीत, protruding, sticking out, धकेलना, heap, pile up, ढेर, pulsating, throbbing, verbs का चलना, striven, scattered, बिखेरना, subconscious, not completely aware, लाशोरी, strong, a large crowd. First sentence is throng. He pushed his way through the throng. Venture, he ventured out in the blizzard. Glisten, his cheek glistened with tears. Stifle, the creepers are stifling the plants. Negotiations, the Kashmir problems can be solved with negotiation. Question answer. Why did the site not been developed? The site had not been developed because everyone has assumed it was a part of the adjacent park. It belonged to an old lady who probably had no need for it. In what ways had the site been neglected? The site had been neglected badly where the house once stood. Now there was only a heap of rubble. 3 or 4 walls still remained. How Amir earned his livelihood? Amir earned his livelihood by dealing in brass. His work involved hard bargaining and selling his wares, which he carried on his bicycle. How did Maham react when Amir first told her plans? Why? Maham reacted so as to say yes and offered no other comments because he had heard him voice his plans before, and these had usually come to nothing. He looked what he said in good humor and laughed of it. Now students, open your English B notebook. Again you write on the left side of your page date, classwork, day. Topic name, story. As you saw, so shall you read. Once there was a time a camel and a jackal became fast friends. They used to wander together on the bank of the river. They helped each other in finding food. One day there was shortage of the food in their area. Camel suggested going other side of the river in search of food. The jackal agreed. The river was deep and wide. The jackal did not know how to swim. The camel asked him to get onto his back and they would cross the river. Wandering through the deep water, the camel reached the other bank. There was a melon field on the bank of the river. Both friends into the field and began to eat melons with delight. The jackal was so filled he began to howl. The camel asked to stop his, but the jackal told that howling after hurting him was his habit. Despite the request of the camel, the cat did not stop howling. One of the melons reached and trashed the camel with heavy brushy streak. The camel was hurt and started his journey back to the other bank of the river. The jackal was enjoying his ride on the camel. When the camel reached in the middle of the river, he dived into the water. The jackal began to shout. He requested the camel not to do so, but the camel told that bathing after the hurting was his habit. The camel dived deep and the jackal drowned into the river. More, as you sow, so you shall you reap. जैसा करोगे वैसा करोगे. एक दफ़ा का जिक्र है कि एक कैमल और एक गीदड़ जो है वो दोनों बहुत अच्छे फ्रेंड थे. वो दोनों एक बार एक दरिया के किनारे फिर रहे थे. वो एक दूसरे की मदद कर रहे थे खुराक ढूंढने में. एक दिन उस जगह खुराक की किल्लत होगी तो कैमल ने उससे कहा कि ना हम दरिया की साइड दूसरी जगह पे चले खुराक तलाश करने के लिए. जैकल तैयार हो गया. वो दोनों रिवर के दूसरी साइड पे जाने के लिए चले. रिवर दरिया जो था वो बहुत गहरा और बड़ा था. गिदड़ जो है वो तैरना नहीं जानता था, तो कैमल ने उसको अपनी पीठ के ऊपर बिठा लिया और रिवर क्रॉस कर लिया. उसके बाद वो लोग एक खरबूजा खेत में पहुंचे और दोनों ने खाना शुरू कर दिया. जब गिदड़ ने खाना खा लिया तो खरबूजे खा लिए तो उसने ऊंची आवाज़ से बोलना धारना शुरू कर दिया. कैमल ने उससे कहा कि चुप हो जाओ, लेकिन उसने कहा कि खाना खाने के बाद धारना उसकी आदत है. उसकी धारे सुनकर जो खरबूजे के मालिक हैं वो लोग आके उन्होंने उनको बहुत मारा. कैमल बहुत ज़ख्मी हुआ. वो लोग वापस आने लगे तो कैमल ने क्या किया कि दरिया के बिल्कुल दरमियान में आके गोते लगाना शुरू कर दी। जैकल ने कहा कि तुम क्या कर रहे हो, अब इस तरह तो मैं डूब जाऊंगा। कैमल ने कहा कि खाना खाने के बाद नहाना भी मेरी आदत है। इस तरह कैमल ऊँट ने जो है वो एक बहुत ही गहरा गोता लिया और गीदड़ जो है वो रिवर में डूब गया, दरिया में डूब गया। नेक्स्ट आपको सी एक्सरसाइजेज दी गई हैं प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनेट एफर्मेटिव की सेंटेंसेस की, प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनेट नेगेटिव की और प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनेट इंटेरोगेटिव की। ये आप ग्रेड 4 से पढ़ते आ रहे हैं तो ये आप सबने खुद करने हैं। एक एग्जांपल आपको सॉल्व करके दे दी की हुई है और ऊपर आपको सेंटेंस फॉर्मेशन भी बता गई हुई है, तो आपके लिए आसानी हो जाएगी करने के लिए। दिस इज द एंड ऑफ योर वीक 10। अल्लाह हाफिज़।